Okay, here we go. Going to do this silly cube. So first thing, actually, I am not so good that I can chat throughout the whole thing. Some people are. I'm not. I can chat through part of it. I hate it when that happens.
What is next? It looks like the current status quo is unsustainable, and everyone's saying that, and people are pillaring Kofian for creating the status quo. But it also looks like there is no will in international intervention. It's very hard to see Assad backing down.
Okay, those are all correct. So I've got my bottom T's. It's your first step. Now I have to put these pieces into the correct position. So here we go.
Sometimes when we start to talk about two parties as if they're equal in power, or in terms of the political positions that we have to negotiate or mediate between, and that definitely does not apply to the situation in the country. I think most people would like to see a political solution, and there has been talk about some kind of pressure by the American administration to talk to President Putin to basically make sure that we have what they call
Okay, so now I have the bottom two layers done. And I have to do something up here, and it's an algorithm that I'm going to have to perform 3 times. Okay. Oh. This is a position I'm not really used to getting. I can do it, but I might actually take a few steps backwards before I go forward, but we'll try it. Wow, I almost blew it. Okay. Okay. All right. Alright, next algorithm is the one that gives me the most difficulty, and I'm going to have to perform it twice. Last time I went to try this, I did it the first time okay, the second time I messed it up, as I often tend to do, and I had to start over. So, here we go. This one I definitely cannot talk through, I have to concentrate. Right 2. Now I'm going to have to do it again. Right. Back to 2. Oh wow! Every now and again that algorithm will solve it, and it did. So there you go. That's done. I could just skip the last one. So, not the fastest time in the world, I know that, but it's done.